Today we're going to do probably one of the easiest and most rewarding simple projects you can do on your kayak, and that's install a Deck Bungee Kit. Included in the kit is the bungee, the hardware kit, and then we've got our drill with a 5/32 drill bit, a measuring tool, crescent wrench or socket and wrench, screwdriver, pop rivet tool, and a marking pen. All right, so the first step is we're going to basically plan out our placement of our pad eyes. One of the first things you want to do is reach inside the boat, make sure you've got access to the inside of the boat. You also want to make sure that you're not going to have any interference with fittings and where you place your knees on the inside of the deck of the boat. So you don't want to have any spot that you might scratch yourself or injure yourself. Okay, so we're going to start with the placement of our pad eyes, and we're going to mark it off. We've kind of predetermined that we're going to go at start, 7, and 14 inches. All right, so we've marked our first hole here. Place the pad eye so it's directly in line, and I'll mark the second hole that we'll drill. There are two different ways for us to install this pad eye with this kit. We include both a screw with washer and lock nut or pop rivet. We'll show you how both get installed. This is simply a matter of just screwing the nut and the washer together. Nice and tight.